Hey guys, now you can see that here you can see that it supports Volt also. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will tell you that how you can install MIUI 8 in your device. You can simply downgrade from MIUI 11, MIUI 10, MIUI 9, whichever version your device is on. You have to simply just follow our steps. I am using Redmi 4 for this MIUI 8 installation. MIUI 8 ROM is available for Redmi Note 4. Last device Redmi Note 4. MIUI 8 is available till Redmi 4 series only. I will tell you the specification. Here you can check. This is Android version 7.1. We will check the Android version of MIUI 8 also. I will install in Redmi 4 Santoni. Here you can see model number Redmi 4. MIUI version, here you can see MIUI 11.0.2 version available. If MIUI 7 is available for your device, you can simply download to MIUI 7 also. All the files link will be in the description. Go and check out. For installation of MIUI 8, you have to simply unlock your bootloader of your device. I will show you that my device bootloader has been unlocked. Additional setting, developer option. Here you can see my unlocked status is unlocked. Our bootloader is unlocked. So simply you have to first install your unlock your bootloader. There are two methods to install MIUI 12. One is the recovery method and one is the fast boot method. In this video I will tell you about MIUI 8 installation via recovery method. This will require TWRP installation. First I will flash Red Wolf TWRP in my device. Hey guys, due to unavailability of vendor in wipe, I have flash Batic recovery. Here you can see. Now we will continue the installation. Without vendor wipe you cannot install MIUI downgrade version. So here I will show you that vendor is available right now. Then you have to select Olvik system vendor data cache. Here you have to select 5 items. Vendor is compulsory to downgrade from MIUI 11 to any MIUI version. Then format data, type yes simply. Here your internal storage will be formatted. This will take few minutes, few seconds only. Okay, then I have successfully transferred my file. Then click on install. Here is the file. Then click on this file. Here is swipe to confirm file. Here you can see that our installation has been started successfully. Santoni, here is the HM4X version 8.5 Santoni. This will take few minutes. This recovery will work 100% because of non-availability of vendor in Red Wolf recovery, so you cannot downgrade. Clearation of vendor is compulsory. Here you can see the package instruction. Extractor file has been started successfully. Our ROM has been started successfully. Installation has been started successfully. Here you can see this will take 2 to 5 minutes. So let's meet you guys after installation is successful. So guys, here you can see that our installation has been successfully completed. Now simply click on the reboot system. No OS installed warning, but ignore it. I will tell you that if it will successfully boot, you have to wait few minutes, maybe more than 10 minutes. It will successfully boot. I will update you once the boot has been completed and our device has been downgraded successfully. If your device is not rebooted after reboot, click on reboot system. If no MI logo comes, then click on power button. Press the power button until the MI logo comes. Here you can see that our phone vibrates and MI logo has been appeared successfully. So you have to wait a few minutes. Then I will tell you that our device has been successfully downgraded or not. Just wait and watch. After few minutes waiting, you will get the MI logo with the Android down there. This will tell you that your ROM has been successfully downgraded. Your MIUI version has been successfully downgraded. Now let's wait and check if the phone boots or not. Hey guys, now you can see that Our ROM has been successfully downgraded. This is MIUI 8 version. We have successfully downgraded our MIUI version from 11 to 8. You can downgrade from any MIUI version. Let's check if it supports updates or not. Here you can see that it supports Volt also. No problem in Volt. If you are a Geo user, then you can install this ROM also. Volt is working properly. This is the old one. This is the my account is 100% working, no problem in my account, as this is the global version, no port ROM. We will also check if the updates are coming or not, if we get updates or not, OTA updates. Now here you can see that we have successfully booted our device. I have set up my device. You can see lock screen also. This is the old one wallpaper available for MIUI 8 version. Let's check the OTA update also. First I will connect with the Wi-Fi network. Our Wi-Fi, there is no bug in the device. Let's check the OTA updates also, if it is available or not. This is the first time I am running this ROM. This might be laggy thodi si. Let's check where is the updates about phones. Here is the system updates. This is the old version ना, इस वजह से. Here you can see that version 9.0 is available for our device. This is MIUI 9 version, 1.3 GB stable. Here you can see OTA updates are also supported, so you can install this ROM also. If you don't like this ROM, you can simply update via OTA update also. OTA updates are successfully supported. Let's check the fingerprint, if the fingerprint is working or not by downgrading. Let's check. Here you can see our fingerprint is working properly and the vibration is very strong compared with other MIUI 11 ROM. Let's check the speed also. Speed is amazing, same as MIUI, no lag. Or you can also check the gaming in this ROM. Gaming may be more stable in this ROM compared with MIUI 11. If you want a gaming ROM or gaming video also, MIUI 11 versus MIUI 8, then you can comment down below. I will provide you the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.